So this is the model 2-bedroom and den at the Verse. So you come in, you've got a little hallway with a coat closet. In here is a half bath. There. And then you've got, to one side, you've got the master bedroom. So you've got a nice hallway here, and then you've got the separate water closet, the bathroom, and a really nice shower right there. Most of these finishes are standard. There isn't an upgrade package right now. Here is the master bedroom with a nice large walk-in closet. Got another closet here coming back out of the master suite. Then we're going in over here. You've got the laundry room, a little bit of storage in there, plus the second bedroom here, which then also leads you to the second bathroom here. And you've got a full bath there as well. And so kind of coming out over here, we've got a really nice open kitchen with a dining room. And so you've got the open kitchen, island, the living room, and the dining room. And so here's just some of the finishes that you'll see. Very modern finishes, clean lines, and you've got the nice island. So coming back here, this door will lead to a balcony. This is the model, so there is no actual balcony right now. And then this floor plan also has the extra den tucked in back here on the unit. So that is the model for the Verse here at the Boro in Tysons Corner. It's one of the few newest condo buildings in Tysons Corner. If you guys have any questions about this model or any of the other models, feel free to email me at peggy@peggyyee.com or call me at 703-349-0143. Thanks.